Let's have a look at the Cowboy Bowline. This bowline is very similar to the regular bowline. To tie this one, we're going to form a loop in our rope by rotating our hand clockwise, and then we're going to take the end, the working end of our rope, and come up through that loop. And in the regular bowline we come around the back in this fashion, but in the Cowboy Bowline we're going to come around the standing part of the rope in the opposite direction and then back down through the loop so that our tail end exits on the outside of the loop rather than the inside. Now, it's been suggested that this is an inferior type of bowline, but it's been found that this is actually more resistant to a force known as ring loading, which is when the loop is subjected to an outwards pull. That's the Cowboy Bowline.